Hello everyone, it's Mr. Ting. Today, what we're going to do is we will be going through algebra questions for P6 mathematics. Okay, we'll be looking at the past 3 years questions from the PSLE and take a look at the type of algebra questions that were asked. Right? So without further ado, let's go and take a look. So the first one, as you can see right here, the original price of a file was $Y, so Kumar bought 10. So each one is $Y. So the idea of algebra is that you have to think of all the alphabets as containers. So those are containers, or we call them variables in mathematics term. What it means is that the variables can be numbers. Okay, you put numbers inside them. So this file was $Y. We don't know how much is $Y. So Kumar bought 10 of them. He was given a discount of $1 for every 2 files. How much did he pay altogether? So first of all, let's find the total cost. Okay, what is the total cost of the files? So each one is $Y, so there's 10 of them, so it's 10Y. $10Y. Okay, he had to pay $10Y for them, and he was given a discount of $1 for every 2 files. So if there are 10 of them, that means he will have to minus $5. Because for every 2 of them is minus 1, so 10 of them is minus 5, so the answer has got to be 10Y, take away 5, so answer is 3. Okay, so that's the first answer. Okay, let me fix this thing. Okay, there's my eraser. Yeah, okay, it's right there. Okay, next question number 2. Find the value of 15k divided by 2 when k equals to 4. So this is a simple substitution question. Okay, we just substitute. So when k equals to 4, we will change all the k equals to 4. So 15, 4 divided by 2 minus 3 times 4 plus 1. Okay, so that's how we do this. So 15 times 4 will be 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 minus 12 plus 1, which should be 18 plus 1, so the answer is 19. Yeah. Next, we have 2 rectangles A, B, E, F, B, C, D, E. Okay, so F equals Y cm. And the area of BCD is 6 plus 5y. Find the area of ACDF. Okay, in terms of y. Alright. So we can see that for the one on the left, ABFE, the area is 4 times y, so it's 4y cm squared. Alright, so that's 4y cm squared. So you want to find the total area, you gotta add the 2 of them. So we add them together, what do we get? So it's 4y plus 6 plus 5y, 6 plus 9y cm squared. Okay, so that would be the final answer. Next. So what they're testing is, do you know that you cannot add the alphabet with a number? Okay, so alphabets and numbers don't mix, you gotta do them separately. Next question. Okay, it's find the value of 3m minus 1 plus m, where m equals to 7. So you see a lot of this substitution. Right? The idea is to let the alphabet be a particular number, and all you have to do is substitute them. So 3m minus 1, 3 times of 7, take away 1 plus 7. So you got 21 minus 1 plus 7 is 20 plus 7 equals to 27. That's it. Okay, next. That's last year. Okay, that was last year's question. So last year there were more algebra questions. No, actually it's about the same. So a pen costs $2 more than a ruler. The total cost of 4 such pens is $Y. So 4 of them is $Y. Express the cost of 12 such pens. Now if 4 is $Y, 12 is just 3 times, so it's 5a, the answer is just $3Y. Okay, B. So the cost of a ruler in terms of Y. So if 12, okay, 4 pence is $y. Now if 4 of them is $y, what is one of them? One of them is, you take y minus, sorry, y divided by 4. That is the cost of 1, and then after that you minus 2. That's it. Okay? That's the cost of a ruler, because a pen, when I take y divided by 4, I find the cost of 1 pen. Then I minus 2, because the ruler is cheaper. Next. Okay, so we have the number of cans collected by 3 boys for recycling. Find the total number of cans rush collected. Okay, total number is just add them together. So for part A, 6 plus k plus 3 plus 4k. So remember, numbers and alphabets don't mix, okay? You do not mix them together. So 9 plus 5k. Okay, that is the number. Next, if k equals to 9, find the average number of cans the 3 boys collected. So k equals to 9 means you do substitution. So 9 plus 5 times of 9, 545 plus 9, 54. So that's the total number. Then we take 54 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3, 18. So the average is 18. Next. Last one. Okay, so for a recycling project, Ali collected 17, Bala 2, M, and Carl 2 plus M. For each, just say true or false. Ali collected the most number of bottles. Okay, we cannot tell. Why? Because we do not know what M is. M can be any number. Okay, it can be a big number. Now, if M is 10, Bala would be the one who collects the most. Bala collected more than Carl. So, for example, if M is 10, so Bala will be 20, and Carl is, because Carl is just 2 plus M is 12. Okay? But what if M is 1? What's M is 1? If M is 1, Bala would collect only 2, and Carl would collect 3. So is it true that Bala collected more? It's false. Or rather, not possible to tell. Not possible to tell. Okay, because we do not know what is the value of M. And last but not least, the 3 boys collected 3, M plus 9 together. You gotta calculate 17 plus 2M plus 2 plus M. 19 plus 3M. That's true. Okay, so that's true. So this was last year's. Yep. And that's the end. Okay, so that's all of the PSLE algebra questions that we have seen for the past 3 years. So algebra questions are actually not too difficult. I do get a lot of parents asking me, can I use algebra to solve math questions in the exam? Okay, the answer is yes. You can actually use algebra, just provided you know exactly what to do, because not many P6 students know exactly what to do with algebra. But I ever come across a group of boys from a particular primary school. They were taught this algebra methods, and they were able to solve a lot of questions. Okay, so they were able to solve most of the difficult questions that a lot of P6 students do not know how to do. But this is provided you know how to use algebra. If you do not know how to use algebra to solve, I suggest you, yeah, just leave it. Use your usual methods. Okay, like what are your usual methods? Heuristics, model drawing, and stuff like that. Okay, if not, it's going to be tough. It's going to be difficult. You're going to get a lot of there'll be some things that you do not know. But then if you know algebra, please go ahead. Okay, it is one of the best tools to solve any math problem. Okay, in fact, it's so good that they teach it in secondary school. So that's all for today's video. This is Mr. Ting signing off from A Scorers. Thank you for watching.